Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody is doing well today and staying safe. So thank you for joining me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and give this video a like if you can. So, did you guys see my new shawl that I just put on? Isn't it beautiful? So I call it the post-virus stitch because it's made with the virus stitch, and it's got post stitches in it to give it a little bit of detail with a nice edge, simple edge. I thought it turned out really good. I really like it. So if you guys have not seen that tutorial, I'll put a link below in the description box. I just put it on yesterday. So, and I have something else in the works with this stitch too, so I hope that you will enjoy that. Okay, enough of that. Okay, I would like to do a video today and show you some Kramer mystery boxes. Now, I've shown Kramer mystery boxes a lot on my channel. I've always liked Kramer mystery boxes. I don't think I've ever gotten a bad one before that I can. No, I haven't. It's always a really good deal. But this time, they sell them for 20 pounds, and then they sell 10-pound ones. I think the 10-pound one's like $40, and the 20-pound one's like $80. So, I bought one of each, so if we could see a difference in them. Now, I know, of course, there's 10 more pounds of yarn in one versus the other, of course. But did they put, like, the same yarn but just half the amount? I was just curious, and I thought maybe it would make a good video for those that maybe thought they might get something different in a 20-pound versus a 10-pound. I'm kind of thinking maybe it's different in a 20-pound. Maybe you get different stuff than you would in the 10-pound, or it could be the same, just double the amount. I don't know. There's no better way to check than to find out. So with Kramer mystery boxes, Kramer's a small mill in Pennsylvania, so it's going to be unlabeled yarn, mill ends, and it's more likely going to contain wool. Most of it, probably not all of it, but you won't be able to know because they mill wool there. So if you're allergic to wool, I definitely wouldn't recommend buying it. But if you're not, I highly recommend it. It's a good deal. It's a good deal. They always ship super fast too. Always gets here in a couple days. Okay, this is the 10-pound box. Let's do it versus the 20. Thank you for your purchase. Kramer yarns. Made by our family for yours. Nice. Alright, so we got let's see what we got here. So we got this brown here, which this comes in a lot of mystery boxes. You know, I can't even tell you what it is. I think it's some type of acrylic blend, but I don't know what it's blended with. But anyways, I have 6 of these in the 10-pound box. Okay, and then we have some wool that's not dyed. I like wool that's not dyed because in the Kramer mystery boxes, because I use that to make yarn dyeing videos. It's fun. I like to do that. So I got 1, 2, 3, 6 of those that are undyed. I can tell this is 100% wool, but it's not going to be super wash wool. It will felt, but I'll still dye it. Oh, I don't know if I've ever had this green one before. This yarn's pretty nice. I've made a baby blanket with it before in blue. I've never seen this green color that I can remember. That's a pretty green. So I got 6 of those in my 10-pound box. It works well with the brown. And these are pretty common in the mystery boxes. I've used this also as well to make a baby blanket. I mixed it with this only in blue. I have a tutorial for it. This is a mohair acrylic blend. It's very fine, but it's very pretty. You can double it up and stuff. So I got 6 of them in this beautiful blue. Nicely spun up. Sometimes they'll come in hank form. Sometimes they'll be in ball, and sometimes they'll just kind of wrap it up and you'll have to hank it up yourself. But this is all a nice clean mystery box. So 6 of those in the blue. I also got it in white as well. Very pretty. So I got 6 of the same in white. Nice. I'm still going. And then I got, I don't know what this is. Usually you can look on their site and kind of match it up, but I know they mill yarns, I think, for other companies, so I'm not certain what this is. It smells like it has wool in it, but it could be because it was setting in there with some 100% wool. I don't know. Sometimes I just can't tell. So I got 6 of this. It looks like it's a nice thick Aran weight, or maybe a thinner bulky 5. Very nice. It's actually feels pretty good too. That's scarfable. I'd wear that up against my skin. I got 6 of those as well. So this stuff's is pretty scarfable too. It's a little bit on the thinner side of, usually it's more of a 4 weight. This is kind of like a 3. It's nice though still. All right, 6 of those. Oh, and I got it in this pretty red. I don't think I've ever gotten this before. This is beautiful and it's soft. Oh, that red is gorgeous. I'm really, I'm a brown person, and like olive green and copper and gold colors, but man, I love a good red. It's such an attractive color. It's beautiful, isn't it? I like that. 6 of those, and then I got 6 of them in blue. Very pretty. So that was what was in my 10-pound mystery box. So I got 1, 2, nice, huh? Everything's nice and neatly packed and clean. 3, 4, 5. I got 7 or 6 balls of 7 different yarns. Nice. So that was the 10-pound mystery box for $40 plus shipping. Shipping depends on where you live. It's more if you live further away from Pennsylvania. I think this 10-pound box with shipping was like $55. I think that's what it was for me anyways, for where I live. So when I say I got 8 balls of 6 yarns, is that right? Yeah. No. 6 balls of 8 different yards. So that's nice, So you're paying about, well, I did with my shipping and everything, about $1 a ball. I'll take a $1 ball yarn any day, and they appear to be full skeins of yarn. Nice. Now let's see what the 20-pound contains. If it's going to contain like a double the amount, but still the same yarn, or if it's going to have the same yarn and different yarn, or who knows. So this is a 20-pounder. It's $80, and then the shipping, I think, for me made it right about at $100 for me. So so price wise, with the shipping, it's pretty close to being the same. Isn't this exciting? Oh, I love mystery boxes. So I see some of the same yarns in it, which is fine by me. Nice. Let's see what we got. Another thank you note. Now we got this same. This stuff is really soft. I like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I got double these. So I got that in the 10-pounder. So I had 6. Now I have 12. I got 12 in this box. In the red again, which is so pretty. This would make a nice blanket. Seems like I got plenty of it now to do that. 12 of the red. It seems like it might be the same. It just double the amount, which is just fine with me. I was just curious, if it would be different. 12 more balls of the undyed, which I'll probably dye up in a video. I'm not going to get them all out because 12 more of the green that I got in the last one. 12 of these beautiful blues that I got in the last one. These are all packed really. Oh, I gotta see something different. Something different in this one. Something different. Okay, I'm gonna have to take a few of these out. It's getting crazy now because I want to get to see the different one. So far, it's just been double of everything. Okay, and then I got 12 of the blue, these blue mohair ones as again, instead of like I got 6 in a 10 pounder, and I got 12 of the white mohairs like I did in the 10 pounder, and I got one different one. What's different? Oh, that's beautiful. I've never had this. This is a mohair, but look at that. It's green. So I got this 12 of these in my 20-pound mystery box instead of this. I didn't get no brown. This was in my 10-pound mystery box. 6 of these. I didn't get any of that in here, but I got 12 of these, which I'm super happy because look, I can mix it with this green right here. This is what I did for my baby blanket that I have a tutorial on. I took the blue mohair and I mixed it with this, only I had it in blue, and I made a baby blanket. This would go well since I have 12 balls of the green from this one and 6 from that one. I have plenty. I can make a beautiful sweater if I took this one, which appears to be about a 3 weight, and 2 of these, which are probably a 2 weight. So 2 2 weights make a 3 weight, and 2 3 weights make a 4 weight. So if I put all these together, I'll have 2 of these together and that one green. I should have a nice 4 weight yarn, a nice thick Aran weight yarn, and I do. Nice. And the sweater will have a beautiful halo. So I cannot keep all this, of course. I don't. I give it away, donate it, put it in mystery boxes, send it to random YouTubers, send it to random people. I donate it locally. I give it to my neighbors. But anyways, I will definitely keep this green because I've never had this before. It's so beautiful. And this green. And I'll probably keep the reds and then the ones that are undyed so I can dye them just for fun. You know, it's fun. The rest, I don't know what I'll do with it. You know, like I said, I'll find a place to put it in giveaways and donate it. But yes, this was a lot of fun. I was just interested to see the difference in them, and it was pretty much, you know, just double everything except for they gave me, I'm so excited that they gave me that green mohair because I'm definitely going to put these 2 strands of mohair with this, and it should equal about a 4 weight. Now if you want information on how I said 2 2 weights make a 3 weight and 2 3 weights make a 4 weight, I do have a video on that. I have a Yarn 101 series that teaches you about yarn weights. It teaches you about yarn like roving style and chain spun yarn. You can look that up in my playlist. I just got videos for everything on my channel. So I hope you had a good time looking and comparing. I thought it was a lot of fun. I definitely have a lot of red, which I think is super. I like that it's a little bit bulky, a thicker Aran weight or a thinner bulky. It's a very pretty, and it's soft enough. I can make a sweater out of this too. I love a nice red sweater, or a brown one of course, but that green is going to be absolutely gorgeous. I love everything that I got. I always do from Kramer though. You know, they never steer me wrong with their mystery boxes, and even the yarn that they sell on their website is so nice. I love it all. So check them out if you haven't. I've always highly recommended their mystery boxes. You will get your money's worth, but remember, if you're allergic to wool, don't buy from there because they mill a lot of wool there. So I wouldn't recommend that. But I can always count on their mystery boxes getting yarn to dye for videos. So it's fun. I love it all. I'm really happy with all of it. I am. I got some that I've never seen before, and then some that you know I probably have had before, but that's okay. That's the way the mystery boxes roll. I'm really happy. So thank you everybody for watching. It was a good time. So sometime during the fall, I'm dying in this. It's hot out today. I even have the air on, but it's just so hot. Look for this fall, because I have a couple things I have to finish for the summer, and then I do have a few cardigans that I'm going to be working on as well for the fall this year. And don't forget to check out the tutorial for this, which I do have. Isn't that gorgeous? I made mine with an acrylic Angora blend. That's what the hair is sticking off of it is. If you can see it, the yarn came from Hobium. It's one of their flower yarn cakes. I did color control it though. I do have a video for that in my Yarn 101 series, all about color control, if you want to look that up. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching my video. You know, it means a lot to me. I had a really good time. I love opening mystery boxes. Kramer never lets me down. They always have the good mystery boxes. Everything is so neatly packed, well organized. They ship super fast. I'm super excited about all the red and the green the most, because I know I want to make either a sweater or a blanket out of that. Definitely going to make a sweater with a halo out of that for the fall. But yes, I'm happy. I'll see you guys on my next video. Sorry for blabbing. You know, sometimes I'm just like that. I love you all, so stay safe, all right? See you on my next vid.